So let's see one of the lovely handicraft stall. So this is called sum. Sum is one of the main item of the hilly people. So this is one of the basic and important item, household item for the hilly and tribal people. This is called sum in Manipuri language. This is called lugmai. See, this is one of the important item of Manipuri marriage. Cuma sakun sini क्या-क्या हो गया? Samadon जी क्या-क्या पी गई?
Samadon lah ya. Asyik lai dekat peyam lau dekat dah. Si kalau di buat dekat siam lau jan.
Vote kana ba?
Buat kan.
Okay, vote maya dai mantri mai chat chat lag ina khunmi mong de yon thare ne.
Cái nồi này thằng dân này cái nồi đó yam cái gì cái nồi đồ.
Sakit tapi juga sakit hamdan lah.
So guys, this is a symbol of the brown antler deer, which is the national animal of this Manipur state called Sangai. This is also symbol of Meitei culture. And this is called Mora. This is a simple design, one of the another design of the Mora. So this is a stall of N. Purnima Singh. So all are flower basil. So these all are lovely and well handcraft flower. See, this is the diamond shape handcraft design. And also let me show you the fine artwork of this can woven structure. So these all are woven around it. This is a treasure box. And yeah, let me show you interesting stall of Mr. Joy Kumar Singh. One of the foldable stool. This is a base made up of bamboo and can, and this is all a lovely handicraft item for Kishinari's art product. So this is the bottle case, and these all are lovely handicraft hand purse and flower vessels with the fruit basket. And you can also see the handcraft hats. Basically, this all product are one of the reefs called kauna, which is locally available. This is an aquatic plant, green suit, and this all are dried and treated product item from the kauna vegetables. So here goes one of the interesting product of Khoi Krab bamboo, foldable table chair. So this is foldable table and chair. Let me show you. This is the table. This can be fold easily. So in such a way. So this is totally foldable, and this is a paired stool. So fully made out of bamboo. Very interesting product. And for the first time you can see the tile made up of bamboo. So you can say this is a plank made up of bamboo. One of the interesting characteristics of this bamboo and can product is they are more stronger and stiff than steel. So their elasticity power is very much high. So it's a totally biodiverse product. So ecologically and scientifically it's more better and much high quality than of conventional product called wood and steel. So this is it. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and this is the lovely India Gate. And this is Kangla, one of the structure symbol And this is a structure called Khongzom. This is a Khongzom War Memorial structure. So this is Sanamahi Kyong, which is a big structure in the Baruni Hill in the Imphal East Porompat district. So this is replica of the Kyong. So this is it. This is the bamboo food course. And this all are chef expert in the bamboo nutrition food item. And
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the bamboo cooking to cook it in their own way. So, to begin the judging round, I would first like